Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to come back to Coinbase because I did a video last week. It was actually the publication for the 15th, and I was showing you that Coinbase was setting up with a fresh buy. And I always think it's so interesting to be, to be working to share these ideas with traders, knowing that anything, especially from a swing perspective, anything can happen the next day. So I go through this video analysis showing you where Coinbase has come down into the anchored VWAP. That was a really nice spot to find a low just about to the tick. And then off of that, you get the close above the high of the low bar, which is the foundation of what I look for in a reversal signal. And combining that with this daily squeeze, I felt like there was reason to buy it. Well, the very next session, you get this. And that's, a very solid correction. This is based off some of the news that competition coming from the listing of other markets for spot Bitcoin. But, all it was really doing is flushing it down to what at that time was the hedge wall of 200. So if you are using this close above the high of the low bar as your entry signal, well, then the stop will be below that low. So even though this may seem as a little bit drastic, it did not take out the stop and it did not invalidate that hedge wall. And now we can see that buying at 200 was really the spot to be getting involved. And of course, we've got really nice follow through today. So if you've been working with that idea, just, wanting to bring you some context, wanting to be able to, keep these within the parameters of the setup, and now what looks to be a target at the fire line. So I also do a lot of work of sharing these voodoo line roadmaps with you guys. Make note of this one that I do think up here at 240.88 is the level, but I think that's going to be a good target. So again, who knows what tomorrow brings, but as long as we can stay above this swing low, I think you've got the potential to pop up there into 240. Then when you get there, that's your next round of decisions, right? That's not to say that that would be a short. What if we get to that level and just keep going? Well, then my target would have been accomplished. It sets up the equity as being more bullish, and maybe we could buy a pullback in the weeks ahead. But just wanted to update that chart with you. It's one of the few places that I've been trading, and make sure you were aware of the setup. We've got NVIDIA earnings that are due out Wednesday. Market should be a little bit choppy tomorrow, I would think, until we can get that huge tech report behind us, and then we'll see how things look from there. But I hope you find the analysis helpful. Have a great rest of your night. We'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.